Well, hello everyone. Welcome to TonyClopton.com. If you are in a position where you are sick and tired of being sick and tired, or you are ready to finally open that dream business, but you're just not sure what direction you need to go into next, or perhaps you already have a business but you need assistance with tracking your expenses. Or perhaps you are a regular W-4 earner, but you just learned that you may possibly be paying over more than what you should be on your taxes. Then you're in the right spot. Allow Tony Clopton, entrepreneur, home-based business owner through my econ, to help you turn things around, get you into a positive cash flow state, learn strategies to turn your skill set into assets. If you would like more information, please drop down in the comments below and let them know what's on your mind. If you already know and you're ready to take that next leap of faith, go ahead and hit that description box. Tony's contact information is right there, readily available. Thank you again for taking the time to watch this video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.